Hello, welcome back. Today I have a Lenovo V130-15IGM model. I have done some work on the laptop and I don't have any footage of the work. And the reason of doing this video is actually trying to help out other technicians or people who want to fix this specific fault of this laptop, which took me some time to find out because it was very weird and accidentally I found it. And I will tell you what exactly happened with this laptop. This laptop actually came to the shop with the problem of not charging the battery. The laptop was working fine. The charger was okay. And once you plug the charger to the laptop, the orange light starts flashing. And once you enter inside Windows, you could see the battery percentage, but the battery percentage was not going up. It was staying the same. Then, you know, the logical thing to do first is to check the battery, if the battery is okay. Because most of the computer shops will replace the battery. Luckily, I had the same laptop with a good working battery, so I put the good working battery and I had the same result. So it wasn't a problem of the battery itself. The next step is actually the charging chip. So let me show you. So this is the BQ737, 24737. This is the charging IC that this laptop uses. So the next logical step is to replace this charging IC. So I replaced this charging IC and I had the exact same result. The laptop was turning on, but it was not charging. Then, the next logical step is to measure around the chip to see if you have the AC detect, the AC okay, if you have the reg-n, the internal LDO regulator is working inside, you have the 6 volts, measure around to see if there are any short, and then actually the next step is to measure all the MOSFETs, the charging MOSFETs here. If any of the MOSFETs are shorted, measure the gates if are connected to the BQ chip pins, measure the first two MOSFETs of the charging of the DC in circuit. They were okay. So I was actually in a dead end. I didn't know what else to do. I thought this is a problem of the EC chip. It's not negotiating the charging current with the BQ chip. So I cannot do anything. I cannot program the EC chip. I cannot replace the EC chip. It's not worth it, actually. I could replace it, but it's not worth it for the customer because this laptop does not cost more than 250 euros. So how much would you charge for all this work to fix this specific problem? So, after that, I was measuring around and I noticed that these two resistors you see here, this resistor measures 10 ohms and this was measuring 280, 300 ohms. At first I didn't, I didn't think that this could be a problem. But after, checking with the schematics, let me show you. Okay, this is the schematic of the BQ chip. So if you see here, these two resistors are connected to these pins, the SRN and SRP pins. And these pins actually go to the current sense resistor of the battery. One of the pins is going on the left side and the other pin is going on the right side. So actually these two pins measure the current that actually measures the charging current, how much current these two MOSFETs produce through this coil and go inside the battery. And these pins have these two resistors. One is 10 ohms and the other one is 7.5 ohms. So as you know, you cannot measure a resistor more than the value itself. You can measure it lower, but more you cannot measure it. There is a fault with the resistor. So I actually remove the resistor and I measure it outside of the circuit. The resistor was measuring 400 ohms, something like this. So this was the culprit, and I replaced this resistor, this one, the second one here, and the problem is fixed. So that was the purpose of the video, that sometimes, you know, replacing the BQ chip or the ISL chip, whatever charging IC you have, is not going to miraculously save the laptop or fix the laptop. You have to check everything around the chip. So this tiny resistor was creating the problem of not charging the laptop. So thank you for watching. That was the purpose of the video, because I know that this is a very it's a model, a cheap model, that a lot of people has this model, and I've searched on the internet that there are a lot of people having the same problem with the charging, and it's not always the battery and not always the charging IC. So thank you for watching. See you next time.